Spout packaging bag have become increasingly popular due to their lightweight and squeezable nature, which allows for easy transportation and storage. In comparison to traditional rigid packaging, Spout pouches offer the advantage of being able to package more products in larger quantities, ultimately reducing transport costs for buyers. However, the best way to utilize this advantage can only be determined by the Spout packing plant. Let's take the example of a 250 ml Spout packing bag with an 8.6 mm spout and cap. There are three potential cases to consider in order to maximize the benefits of Spout packaging bags. In case number 1, where the pouch and cap are separated packaged, it is necessary to customize the carton size to 57 by 43 by 43 cm uniformly, using 5 layers of strengthened cartons. Based on the inner dimensions of ocean shipping containers, the maximum quantities of cartons and pouches with caps can be calculated. The quantity of plastic caps should be slightly higher than that of the Spout packing bag to ensure sufficient supply. This case allows for maximum loading of cartons in various container styles, such as 20 GP, 40 GP, and 40 HQ, resulting in significant quantities of pouches and caps being transported. In case number 2, where the pouch and cap are pre-locked together, the carton size and maximum loading quantities remain similar to case number 1. However, due to the pre-locked nature of the pouch and cap, the quantity of pouches per carton is much lower than in case number 1, resulting in different total quantities of pouches being transported in various container styles. In case number 3, where a pallet is required, the carton and pallet size must be customized to ensure the safe and efficient transportation of the pouches and caps. Again, the quantities of pouches and caps per carton and pallet are calculated based on the weight limitations and container styles, resulting in varying total quantities being transported. In conclusion, the utilization of Spout packing bag lightweight and squeezable advantage requires careful consideration and customization of carton and pallet sizes, as well as an understanding of the inner dimensions of shipping containers. By analyzing and comparing the potential cases and their respective maximum loading quantities, Spout packing plants can determine the most efficient and cost-effective way to transport their products. This will ultimately benefit both the producers and buyers of Spout packaging bags.